guys, I hope you're doing great today. Well, this is another video on VPN on DevOps Molvi channel. Guys, if you remember, I created a video on best free VPN and I recommended Proton VPN as the best VPN that we can use in Pakistan. And fortunately, it has servers in Karachi as well, and it is still accessible in Pakistan. But now, guys, with more restrictions and banning of VPNs in Pakistan, and now, guys, since you know that PTA is banning unregistered VPNs in Pakistan, so I tried to search and find the best VPNs that are also PTA, which stands for Pakistan Telecommunication Authority, and those VPNs are registered by PTA. So here's a list of 5 best VPNs that we can use, and also those VPNs are secure, fast, and the most important thing, they are PTA compliant. So make sure that you subscribe DevOps Molvi on YouTube. Let's get started and find out which are the best free VPNs that we can use in Pakistan. And by the way, sorry to say, all VPNs are not free in this list because they have trial and then you have to purchase their packages. But most of these VPNs have the free and premium packages. But first, we should know what is a VPN. If you have watched this video, I have explained VPN and how VPNs work. So make sure that you have watched this video. By the way, we have a quick overview of VPN, which stands for Virtual Private Network. And VPNs are essential for online privacy and bypassing internet restrictions. And in Pakistan, VPNs must be registered with Pakistan Telecommunication Authority for uninterrupted use. So this is the overview why we must have a registered VPN to use safely and securely. And number 1 is Proton VPN, which is of course my favorite VPN, and it is free and also it has premium packages, pricing, and it is available in 100 plus countries, and also it has servers in Pakistan as well. Number 1 is no logs policy. We are all concerned about data, all right, our personal data, and that's why it has no logs policy, which ensures user data is never tracked or stored, and Proton VPN always prioritizes privacy. Number 2, we have both free and premium plans, and Proton VPN offers a robust free plan with unlimited data and premium plans for enhanced features. Of course, you will get more features if you buy premium plans, but still their free plan is best, and I hope that you can fulfill all your needs using the free plan. Number 3, high speed utilizes 10 Gbps gigabytes per second servers to deliver fast and reliable connections. Number 4, global server network, and it provides servers in over 100 plus countries, enabling unrestricted access worldwide. Also, it bypasses the censorship, and it is designed to work in countries with strong internet censorship. Like in Pakistan, we have now a strong internet censorship. So that's why we can use to bypass this censorship. And this is the best feature, that kill switch and always on VPN. What does this mean? It means that this VPN protects user by blocking traffic if the VPN connection drops. If you're no longer connected to that VPN will protect you by blocking the traffic. So this is known as kill switch and always on feature. And by the way, it is almost available in all the rest of the VPNs that I have listed down in this presentation, in this lecture. So this is Proton VPN. And if you watch my Proton VPN video, I will definitely share the link in the description. You will find the complete guide to use Proton VPN. And number 2, Cloudflare WARP. Guys, you know that Cloudflare is one of the world's largest CDN, content delivery network, and it also offers VPN as well, which is known as Cloudflare WARP. and the features are amazing. Number one is fast performance, and it uses Cloudflare's vast global network to deliver low latency and high speed internet connections. Number two, DNS security. It is integrated with this record 1.1.1, the world's fastest DNS resolver. This is one of the world's fastest DNS resolver 1.1.1. This is for your knowledge, and it ensures fast and secure domain resolution. When you hit the website, it means that your data is being protected by Cloudflare WARP VPN. And like we discussed in Proton VPN, it also has the no logging, no data logging policy, and it promises not to track user activities, ensuring strong privacy policies. And it is mobile friendly. We can install it on our mobile devices, both on Android and iOS, iPhone, Apple devices, with seamless connectivity. And the most concerned part is free plan available. We have the free plan, and it offers a completely free version for users with essential privacy features, and it is easy to use, simple setup with no complex configurations required, making it accessible for all users. So we can also try this free VPN because we have a free plan available. So Cloudflare itself is one of the biggest names. It is one of the largest content delivery network. Millions of websites use Cloudflare to protect their sites from threats, from malware, from other malicious traffic. So we can try Cloudflare WARP VPN because it has a free plan. And number third VPN is Surfshark. I hope that you have heard its name. It is also one of the common VPNs and one of the popular VPNs that is used. And so I have highlighted a couple of features. Surfshark is affordable and reliable, and it supports advanced encryption and bypasses restrictions effectively. And it also has unlimited device connections, and it allows simultaneous connections on an unlimited number of devices with one subscription. By the way, guys, bad news is it has a free trial, but it is not available for free. So we have to buy a subscription or pricing plan. So once we have that subscription, we can have multiple users to use this subscription. So it also has a clean web, and there are no ads, trackers, malware, and phishing attempts for a safer browsing experience. And no borders mode means that it bypasses restrictions like other VPNs in heavily censored regions like China, like Pakistan. And number five is camouflage mode, which ensures that your VPN usage is hidden. Nobody knows what are you using and what are you surfing. Even your ISP does not know your VPN usage, and this is one of the best features of Surfshark VPN. And also we have multi-hop servers in which our traffic is routed through multiple servers for an extra layer of security. And also whitelister, this VPN is whitelister, and it lets you choose specific apps or websites to bypass the VPN connection. And also, like other VPNs, it has kill switch feature. This VPN protects your privacy by disconnecting your user internet usage if the VPN connections are dropped. So guys, this is also a recommended VPN, but unfortunately it comes with a price tag. But you can try, and if you can afford it, you must try this. And this is also PTA compliant VPN. Number four, and the second last VPN, is Hotspot Shield. It is also one of the popular VPNs, and it also has both free and paid versions. It is also PTA compliant, and it is great for streaming and online privacy. And also guys, global server coverage like other VPNs. It has 3,200 servers in 80 plus countries. Big name, right? And It also enables access to global content. And number three is military grade encryption. This is the strongest encryption we are talking about, and it uses AES 256 encryption methodology to protect your data from cyber threats. So if you want to protect your data, your website, your web surfing from cyber attacks, I would recommend to use Hotspot Shield. And guys, by the way, in free plan, there is a limited free plan with basic features, and it is ideal for light users. So you will not get, of course, all features in free plan, but you can try, and it is recommended for students, for surfers with light usage. And after that, malware protection. In this feature, integrated malware detection and prevention system for additional online safety. So it has a malware protection. This VPN has malware protection. So when you surf, when you search for websites using VPN, you are protected from malwares. And the last feature is cross-platform compatibility. I mean, if you have any device like Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, Linux, and browser extensions, it is used with all of these platforms. So these are a couple of features. It has a free plan, so you can try it. It is one of the best VPNs. You can enjoy a limited number of features using the free plan. And guys, NordVPN, I hope that you have heard its name, or maybe you have used it. It is one of the world's best VPNs, and by the way, it has only 7-day trial. There is no free options. There are no free plans. And that's why I have, this is the last VPN in my list, the last choice. If we can afford it, then definitely we can use NordVPN. But since we are looking for free VPNs, then this has only 7-day trial. You can use it for free only for 7 days. But let's check out the features of NordVPN. So NordVPN has one of the best feature of being the double VPN. Now, what is double VPN? Because it encrypts our traffic, internet traffic, twice by routing. And that traffic is routed between two servers. That's why it is known as double VPN. And threat protection, it also blocks malware, trackers, and ads even when the VPN is not connected. And number three is dark web monitor, alerts you if your credentials appeared in exposed databases on the dark web. Number four is meshnet. And what is meshnet? It means that NordVPN enables secure and private device-to-device connections for file sharing or gaming. And we can have a dedicated IP option in which a unique static IP address for our secure business or personal use. We can get a dedicated IP address. And by the way, guys, now check out the server network of NordVPN. 5,000 plus servers. This is huge. In 60 countries, ensuring a wide range of connection options and fast connections powered by NordLynx, a VPN protocol based on WireGuard, offering fast and secure browsing and 24/7 customer support with live chat and email support available. So guys, these are a couple of features, and I have got all these features from their respective websites so that you know which VPN would be the best for your personal usage or business usage. So NordVPN is, by the way, the best VPN, but since it is best, it has a price tag. And it has just a 7-day free trial. But if you can afford you can recommend in your IT organization to use it. And by the way, disclaimer, I have not been affiliated or getting money or getting any sponsorship from any of these VPN sites. This is just sharing the stuff that I searched for myself, and I thought that I should create a presentation and a lecture so that it might help you if any of these VPNs is suitable for your needs, whether you're a student, an IT guy, a network engineer, or if you are handling your network for your business needs. So these 5 VPNs can fulfill your needs, and in a country where there are more internet restrictions. And by the way, one last thing, compliance with PTA. Now this is the major part of this lecture. These VPNs are also compliant with PTA, Pakistan Telecommunication Authority, and that's how we can register any VPN in Pakistan. To register our VPN with PTA, which it should be compliant with our regulations by from PTA. And we can visit the PTA website, which is pta.gov.pk, for more guidance and for more information. And just I told you in the beginning of the video, PTA is banning all the illegal or unregistered VPNs in Pakistan. So make sure that you are using a VPN that is also PTA compliant. Last but not least, compliant with DevOps Molvi. You can compliant with DevOps Molvi using these links. Make sure you subscribe DevOps Molvi on YouTube, and I have also profiles on all social media and professional media links I have shared. Or simply you can search DevOps Molvi and you find it everywhere on LinkedIn or TikTok or Instagram or YouTube. So that's it. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe DevOps Molvi and share it in your friends. Hopefully it will help your friends or family using the VPNs that are PTA compliant, and also they are registered in Pakistan and operational. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next video. Bye.